All right, guys, welcome back here. We got a little bit of everything here today. Got some new stuff that just came out, I think. Pretty sure. I mean, it just didn't come out today, but I mean, it's fairly new. This is the 2026 Topps official collector set. And this comes with a random set of all kinds of stuff. I mean, it comes with 2 packs of these 26 Topps baseballs. Pack of the Heritage 26s, 2 pack of the 25-26 NBA Topps, and a pack of the 25-26 Topps Chromes, and 1 exclusive 11 card pack inside. And I'm not sure here, I see this checklist on the side here. I wonder if this is, I've watched a couple other videos here, like all these people. I wonder if this is all, if there's going to be other people on here or what. I'm not sure if that's what players are in this one exclusive pack. But we also got, other than the cards, we also got 100 of these soft sleeves, the top loaders, 25 of them, 1 touch magnetic, and then this mini binder. Let's see, holds up to 80 cards. But let's go ahead and rip this thing open, see what we got here. Hope we got something good here. Not really putting a lot into it here. I mean, this thing was $40 at the store. So I don't know. I mean, I'm sure they got something in here, but I'm not really holding my breath on nothing too crazy. I'm excited about some of these other Donruss paninis I got here. Want to chase some downtowns. But that'll be for another video. Empty. Okay. There's your binder sleeves. And this is basically like a guide for like people just starting collecting and chasing cards and all that. It says like what to look for, like the inserts, autographs, yeah, and so forth, you know. I mean, stuff for like new people to like know this is. But I mean, for people who've been doing this for a while, they kind of know what they're really looking for. But okay, here's what we got here. This binder. There's the binder with the sleeves, and then see, there's the 100 sauce, 1 touch, and there's 25 top loaders. And here's what we got. 2 flagships, Topps Chrome, Heritage, baseball 75s, and this Topps here. We're gonna, sorry guys, we're gonna do this backwards here. We're gonna rip these ones first here. But we also got 2, 1, 1, 1. So we'll see what we got here first. Vlad Jr. Stars MLB. I just pulled that backwards, didn't I? See here, Judge. Yamamoto. Sorry guys, I don't really follow too much baseball like I used to. I mean, I follow the Dodgers and that's about it. I mean, I like the White Sox, but I follow the Dodgers more than anything. Ohtani. So that was a nice little right there with Vlad Jr. and Judge and Ohtani. See if we can do this the other way this time. James Wood. Oh, Snell. Contreras. Royals. Titan of the game. See here, let's go ahead and start with the basketball now. Guess I know a little bit more about basketball. If you guys see my other video, that's pretty much all I got is basketball. NBA and WNBA. Buddy Hield, Fleming, rookie. Noel, rookie. Garnett. Steve Kerr. Ooh, I don't have one of them. Clutch City, Cooper Flag. It's a nice one. Kind of set that right there, guys. Dub Nation, Kolek, Cody Williams, Scotty Barnes, Grady, Kumbenga, Joel Embiid, Jordan Clarkson. Have you guys pulled anything good out of any of these packs, like the baseball or the baseball 75s or the flagship or the chromes at all? The heritage. Let me know if you guys have pulled any of these. If you guys got anything good out of there. Jimmy Butler. Yanni, Josh Hart, Derek White, was it 4 of them in here? Yep, Topps Chrome. Sorry guys, I didn't put up the Ohtani or the Judge or the couple of the other ones, the baseball ones there. Walker, Hardaway Jr., Murphy Boyles, Kolek. Nothing there. Okay, Heritage. Let's see what we got here. See something in there. Jacob Young, Jose Ramirez, Sprout, James Wood, Andrew McCutchen, Holiday, Pages, okay, what do we got here? Last pack here, guys. Now this is the collector kit one. So I wonder if this is going to have all them guys here, what we had earlier. I got that list here, so we'll take a look here. Cooper Flag. Kevin Durant. Ace Bailey. Wemby, Igor. Another Wemby, but this one, special kind of one. Some kind of refractor. I don't really know for sure what it is, but Roman Anthony, Otani, Ronald, Francisco. All right, sure was, guys. Take a look here. That list here. Every one of them guys was in there. But thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think. That's a kind of a fun one there. Let me know if you guys pulled anything there out of this one. If you guys seen these, for $40. I mean, it wasn't really that bad of a deal. I'm gonna give my kid the binder and the pages. I mean, I'll use the top loaders and stuff, but I'll give that other stuff to him. Let me know if you guys found anything out there, but thanks for watching, guys, and share and subscribe, guys. Like. Thanks for watching.